welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to start on this double page nature spread that we've been building up towards. Firstly, we had a look at different types of papers, and then the last video we sort of did kind of a layout, picked out some of the papers I want to use, different textures and the different variations of green and the different leaves. Today I want to just start, and it's going to be a speeded up video actually once I get going, but just to introduce, I'm just going to be using a very simple matte glue here. I've got a couple of these brushes here which are quite nice to use, these flat brushes for when you're actually doing the gluing. I've got a sort of knife here which I'm going to use to push things down if I need to get air bubbles out, and I've got another paintbrush here which I'm not sure what I'm going to do with yet, but I might use a bit later on. I'm going to put my glue into a little pot, and then I can sort of get rid of that pot afterwards once I finish. Okay, so I'm just going to get going with it. I'm going to have a go. You'll see me moving things around, and it's not going to be anything sort of special, but it's going to be a process that I'm going to really enjoy doing, and I hope you enjoy watching it.